Hare Krishna. So, most welcome again in this Parinamamrita Vyakaranam class. And we have started studying the Akhyata Prakaranam, the third one, third chapter of the book. So, I hope that we have memorized, if not completely, then partially, the pratyayas, the Akhyata pratyayas. So, if not, then please do work on them. Okay, moving ahead. Sutra. So, we did study the pratyayas, right? The 10 classifications. So, beginning with Achyuta, then Vidhi, Vidhatri, Bhuteshwara, Bhutesh, Adhokshaja, Balkalki, Adhokshaja, and then Balkalki, Kalki, Ajita, ityadi. So, uh, the next sutra is 272 with Prithu. A pratyaya that comes after dhatu and that has the indicatory letter pa is called Prithu. Now, we have pratyayas here. We know what are the pratyayas, the suffixes. So which comes after dhatu. Now, if there is any such pratyaya suffix which has the indicatory letter pa, we know what is the indicatory letter. The it, like in su, ojas, the su, we had sa. Sorry, we had the u, rama as indicatory letter. So same, if we have any pratyaya which has the indicatory letter pa, so that pratyaya in itself will be called prithu, a prithu pratyaya. Then nint nrsingha, a pratyaya that comes after dhatu and that has the indicatory letter na is called nrsingha. So now if any pratyaya is there which has the indicatory letter na, so that is called nrsingha. Nrisingha. Okay, prithu is when the pratyaya is having pa as it. Nrsingha is when it has na as it. Then kit kapilaha, a pratyaya that comes after dhatu and that has the indicatory letter ka as kapila is called kapila. Now this is kapila. Kapila means any pratyaya which has the indicatory letter ka in it. So prithu, nrisingha, kapila, then nirguna. A nirguna is a pratyaya which has the nga, the letter nga as indicatory letter nga. Kitchang, itcha, kansari. Now any pratyaya which has either ka or nga as the indicatory letters, so that is called kansari. Okay. Then shit shiva, any indicatory letter which has sharama, sharama as the indicatory letter, so that pratyaya would be called shiva pratyaya. So we studied prithu for it, then prithu, then kapila, kait, nirguna, nait, kansari, kaur, and ngait, shiva, shait, and we also did nirguna, ngait. Okay, then Tibadi Navanavanam Purva Purvani Parapada Sangyani. So this is just saying that the first 9 pratyayas of each group of Tibadis are called Parapada. We have done that. We studied the pratyayas. Like we have 10 classes, 10 groups of pratyayas. In each group, there are 2 subdivisions. One is Parapada and the second is Atmapada. So the first subdivision, the first 9 pratyayas of each group are called Parapada pratyayas. Then Uttarottaranyatapada Sanyakani. The other 9 pratyayas of each group of the bodies are called Atmapada. And the other 9 pratyayas of each group, they are called Atmapada. Atmapada pratyayas. Right? So Parapada and Atmapada. Navakeshu Trini Trini Prathama Madhyama Uttama Purusha Sangakani. So now it explains how now each group of 9 pratyayas is divided into groups of 3 called Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, and Uttama Purusha. Okay, so this is basically the same thing, the chart which we showed earlier. So the chart is like this. Right? So 9 boxes. So the first row is the Prathama Purusha, second row is Madhyama Purusha, and the third row is the Uttama Purusha. Right? So this is just telling them. So the pratyayas are aligned in this format throughout this chapter. Okay. Achyutadayah Pancha Shivascha Krishna Dhatukaha. The Shiva pratyayas and the 5 groups of the bodies beginning with Achyuta are called Krishna Dhatukas. Now, the first 5 groups of the bodies, so basically Achyuta, Vidhi, Vidhatri, Bhuteshwara, and Bhutesha. These first 5 plus any pratyaya which is Shiva, which has the indicated letter Sh. So they are called Krishna Dhatukas. So this is a new sangya, Krishna Dhatuka. Then Anya Pratyaya Rama Dhatuka. Now all other pratyayas apart from the Krishna Dhatukas, they are called Ram Dhatukas, which includes the pratyayas Adhokshaja onwards and any other pratyayas which come afterwards in this chapter. So all of those would be Ram Dhatukas. So Krishna Dhatukas and Ram Dhatukas. Parapadani Kartari. So the Parapada pratyayas are applied after Dhatu in Kartari Prayoga. So now actually like in English we have you know active voice and passive voice, right? For example, I ate Krishna ate rice. So an active voice sentence. The rice was eaten by Krishna, a passive voice sentence, right? So active and passive voice. So in Sanskrit also we have active and passive voice. So the active voice is the Kartari Prayoga and the passive voice is the Karmani Prayoga. Kartari Prayoga and the Karmani Prayoga. So for example, Krishna Pustakam Pathati. Krishna is reading the book. So now passive voice would be Krishnena Pustakam Pathyate. The book is being read by Krishna. Okay. So that's there. Okay. Now this part actually now so these 3 more sutras are there and then starts the declensions. So before that, I really want you to memorize the pratyayas. They're really very necessary moving ahead. Otherwise, I may just start doing the declensions here. I may just start teaching them, but they won't really fit in our memory in our system. So We'll stop here on Sutra 282, having completed that. Please do memorize those pratyas. So they are very important. Take this week. Of course, we'll have a class on Friday. So you can take a week, one more week until the next week's class. But please do memorize the pratyas. They're very important. Now, even the festivals are over, like Radha Ashtami is also done. So I think now we have some time before Kartik starts. So please do memorize. So we'll stop here and we'll resume, have another class for this week on Friday, as I mentioned. Okay. Then we'll start the declension. On Friday, we'll start the declension. Okay, anything here?
Okay, Prabhuji.
Yeah. So if you need any help, just WhatsApp me anytime. I will reply.
Okay, Guruji. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Hare Krishna.